Hi, my name is Kaitlyn Gordon.
And I'm Dr. Mary Love Tagert with the Mississippi State University Extension Service in the Department of Agricultural and Biological Engineering. Today, we are going to show you how to make a biomass battery using a potato. Step 1, gather your supplies. You will need several large potatoes, about 6, alligator clips, galvanized nails coated in zinc, copper wire, LED lights, soda pop tabs, a multimeter, paper clips, coins, and bobby pins. The zinc-coated nail acts as the anode and the copper acts as the cathode. The moisture in the potato works as an electrolyte that helps the electrons released from the zinc metal flow to the copper wire. Step 2, assemble your battery and test the voltage. Set the dial on the multimeter to volts. Plug the black probe into the COM port on the multimeter and plug the red probe into the V-omega-Na port. Start by inserting the galvanized nail into one end of the potato and the copper wire into the other end. Next, touch the red probe to the copper wire and touch the black probe to the zinc-coated nail and check the voltage reading on the multimeter. You can also connect one alligator clip to the nail and another alligator clip to the copper wire and connect the loose ends of the alligator clips to the probes.
Step 3, experiment. One potato will probably not provide enough energy to light the LED. You can connect as many potatoes as you like, but be sure when connecting potatoes in series to connect the positive end of one potato to the negative end of the next potato. For example, connect one end of the alligator clip to the nail on the one potato and connect the other end of the same alligator clip to the copper wire on the next potato. Check the voltage with each potato you add. You should see a higher voltage with each potato that is added.
After checking the voltage, disconnect the multimeter probes and connect the loose ends of the wires to the LED light. The LED has 2 wires attached. The longer one is the positive side and should be connected to the copper wire, and the shorter wire is the negative side and should be connected to the nail. Does the LED light up?
You can also try this experiment with lemons, and you can test the voltage conducted between commonly available objects like bobby pins, paper clips, coins, soda pop tabs, and other items.